Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you a product reveal with the Octopi Guys 4x6 clear stamp set and coordinating dies. Please note these items are sold separately. The stamp set includes 16 stamps in total, 7 images and 9 sentiments. Now this top image here measures 2 inches wide by 2¼ inches high. The middle image approximately 1¾ inches wide by 2½ inches high. And the last image here in the bottom left, 2 inches by 2 inches. These are great for putting on the edge of your card or positioning them in some type of frame, which you'll see in one of my samples here in just a few minutes. You could also use the new Under the Sea slimline paper pack to create amazing scenes for these cuties. I love the punny sentiments with this, hugs and hickeys. You're getting "What's up, sucker?" Now here I colored the image with alcohol markers, used the new slimline paper pack to create that scene, overlaid it with the slimline film strip die cut out and then colored with Copic markers, and then added that sentiment "What's up, sucker?" For this card here, I simply stamped the background with the Fadoodle Hearts stamp set, the Wavelengths embossing folder there on the right-hand side with that cutie peeking out, added the sentiment "You occupy my heart." Now my last sample, I stamped ink spots using the Distress background stamp set, created a frame using the Doodle Frame stamps and dies to show off this cutie and all his silliness, and then randomly stamped that sentiment inking of you. For more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Everything is linked directly below for you. Please know how much we appreciate you taking the time to watch, and until next time, take care.